Oh, hi. Welcome back to our vegan kitchen. It's Veganuary day 15. We made it!
Woo!
Half done. So, I wish I knew how to do one of those grand jetés and, like...
I don't think we have the space for that right now.
This is a big kitchen.
It is, but
yeah,
you got stuff in here.
We don't have enough room. All right, so today we're going to make something quick and easy because who likes standing in front of the stove for hours? I want to be in and out. I don't want to be, as much as you think I love cooking so much, yeah, sometimes I do.
We love eating more.
On a day-to-day basis, it's like, 3 meals times 365. I mean, that's a lot of cooking. I don't want to be in the kitchen for hours unless it's like a Sunday dinner and I have people coming over and I want to impress them. On day-to-day, in, out. So we have a great leftover type recipe to do today. We've got leftover rice. That's a lie. I made it this morning, so it's cool.
It's fake leftover.
Which is great for resistant starch if you let a starch cool down after you cook it and then you reheat it again.
Oh, really?
Makes the carbs a little more resistant. I have some leftover broccoli from last night. I have some leftover green beans from breakfast. I've got an ton of mushrooms that I don't want to have to throw away because they've been hanging around too long. I have one measly clove of garlic under there because I don't want people coming for me. The last time I made a stir fry and I used the granulated garlic instead of fresh garlic, people were coming for me.
Jeez. Can't have that.
No. We're also going to throw in a little bit of folded just egg to make it like a real fried rice. And, of course, the old staples, sesame oil and Tamari, a.k.a. soy sauce.
Yes, this will all be in the info.
That's correct.
So you can follow along.
Just the ingredients, not the amounts necessarily. Because this is,
This is improv.
This is improv. Whatever you have in your house. Like, I could have thrown in some zucchini that I had in there, too. I could have thrown in some cabbage. Let me know what your favorite thing is
cabbage.
To throw. I know. We're going to make some roast cabbage next week. And you guys, your socks are going to be flying off.
Yes.
It's so good when you roast it. All right. Not just for coleslaw. Let's get this going. We're going to heat this up on high. This is my wok burner. This is double hot. Also, avocado oil. Don't try and fry with vegetable oil. No good. Don't try and fry with any lower smoke point oil like olive oil or canola is not great either.
Can't take the heat.
Can't take the heat, so get out of the kitchen. Avocado or maybe peanut. But other than that, your oil is going to degrade and it's going to possibly cause problems for you. It's going to cause inflammation. So we're just going to put a little bit in because this is the veggies going in first. Obviously, how could I have forgotten a whole bunch of beautiful scallions from Aldi? So we're going to start off with our mushrooms because these are raw right now. The only thing that's not cooked is the mushrooms, the garlic, and the onions. So we're going to cook these a little bit longer, and then we're going to add the ones that are already cooked just to heat them through. This is going to saute for a couple minutes.
I just love that earthy mushroom smell.
I know. You like to
I love raw,
to eat raw mushrooms.
Put them in a salad.
I recently heard that wasn't the greatest thing for you.
No, but it's delicious. Give me a salad bar, I'm taking raw mushrooms.
Not me. Not me, cousin.
Somebody's been watching the bear.
The bear. You gotta make sure these all get separated. Yeah. All right, we'll be back. All right, mushrooms are looking good. Over here.
Ooh, sorry.
I'm setting aside some scallions for the top so that there's a little bit of crunch in there. But the rest of them are here along with the just egg that
my God.
Hey, who put that there? Oh my goodness.
I'm glad that did not all go on the floor.
Yeah, that would have been a disaster, wouldn't it?
It would have been sad.
Sorry, I have to sharpen my knife.
Yes.
It's a little dull right now, like me.
No.
All right, so we're going to add the rest of the veggies in. We're just going to heat it through. And we're going to set that aside on top of the scallions. Yeah, they're going to wilt a little bit, but deal with it.
That's life.
Yeah.
There goes the broccoli.
Broccoli and then green beans. Not exactly a fried rice staple, but you know what? I wanted to use it up.
Yeah.
Better than in the garbage.
For sure.
We're taking out the vegetables now. Setting them aside because this is a big pan.
It is.
And that rice is a big shark. We're going to need a bigger boat because we want that to actually fry and not just like...
Heat up.
Yeah. Alright, is that too hot to touch? Yes, it is.
Ma'am.
I know. Alright, let's get the rest of these out of here. Oh, we had a lost soul. Alright. That's good enough. So now we're going to add some more oil. You can do this without... I don't know if you could do it without oil. It wouldn't. I don't think it would be very good, but
yeah.
Maybe I would have some people argue that. But we're going to get that nice and hot. Let's see.
So there.
And get it nice and hot before we get our rice in there. I'm not even sure we're going to use all this rice because this
is a lot of rice.
A lot. Yeah. I can hear it. We're ready to go. Don't just put it in one big clump because that's not going to do anything for you.
It'd be fun though. Yummy.
Yeah. Alright. It helps if you use a spatula, you know, like a pancake flipper to like separate all the rice and make sure that each of it gets coated. Also, you don't want to use hot rice because it's just going to turn into a big rice ball.
Blech.
And it's like gummy.
Yeah.
You want it to be separate and crispy and fluffy. So we want to get a little bit of color on this first. Another tip I could offer you is your soy sauce. If you don't want it so salty, or if you're doing a big batch, don't put the soy sauce straight in because it's too concentrated. You're going to get plops of darker color and lighter color. Put in a little bit of water because that's going to evaporate, and it will evenly distribute the soy sauce better in the rice because the soy sauce is the next thing to go in here. Oh, so lovely. I can hear the crisp.
Yeah.
I can hear it popping a little bit. Wonderful. All right, we're ready to add a little bit of the soy sauce.
Ooh. Get it.
Yeah. Don't just go dumping it in all at once because, like I said, you're going to get like a big clump. Make sure it's evenly distributed.
I love the idea of you pouring it in and it sounds like a crowd is like cheering.
Yeah.
Like, wow, we love it. We love the flavor.
Whoops.
Oh.
Whoa, that got away.
It did.
Oh well, good thing I haven't cleaned the stove yet today.
Yeah.
We're also going to add in a little bit of sesame seed oil because this is going to give it that takeout flavor. I know people are going to be coming for me with all this oil, but I want it to taste good. You know? I'll cut things where I can, but there's times where there's just no cutting it, you know? I just want to enjoy the food. Veggie time! Veggie tales!
Oh yeah. Woo. Big crowd applause.
Yeah. And the rest of the soy sauce.
It's happening. Oh, it smells good.
Yeah. Alright. It's not as good. Is it good as a Chinese takeaway? Probably not. Did I grow up Asian? No. I don't have...
What?
I didn't. I don't have a wok. I don't put the amount of oil, even though you think I put a lot of oil in. They put far more oil and stuff. And they cook at very high temperatures.
Well, this is a nice at-home fried rice.
Yeah. I mean, it's still going to be good.
Yeah, why are you talking like it's not going to be good?
But is it as good as... Maybe it's better for you.
Oh, yeah.
But...
Let's let that cool for a sec.
Yeah. We're going to get Maddie's mouth in here to taste it.
Oh.
Oh, a dog is drinking.
That's right. Mommy, you're thirsty. Good boy.
Said I heard the camera go on. Was I wrong?
He said it's time.
Yes.
I'm hungry and ready to eat this.
We let it cool down just for a couple minutes while I ordered Sean a DVD.
Getting the job done.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
Doesn't it?
I love fried rice.
Me too. That was one of my favorite things as a kid.
It's very, very hot.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh my god. The texture of the rice,
Oh?
very, very good.
Oh, thank you.
Also, the veggies.
Yes. The hummus.
Give me that broccoli stem.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I would almost say 90% of the fried rice failures are not toasting the rice enough.
Yeah, that texture on that rice is perfection.
Oh, thank you.
It's like you can taste every individual
Right.
grain.
Also, use cold rice.
Yes.
Toast it long enough. And you can make my American version of fried rice.
Yes. The veggies are so good. Perfect texture. Oh, I was looking for this.
Oh, with just egg?
I gotta get that little chunk of just egg.
Yep.
Okay.
Takes it to a whole nother level.
I'm ready for lunch.
Okay.
And that sesame oil, it just really puts it over the top. So,
Yeah.
oh, that's good. So, thank you all so much for watching. We hope you give this a try. It's really not that difficult.
No,
I
it's
have to
not.
say.
It's quick.
Yeah. I've
In
always
and out.
been intimidated by fried rice.
I feel like if you follow the tips that I gave you,
Yeah, I think that goes a long way. So
you would have a greater chance at success.
Of success.
Yeah.
So thank you again, everybody. Let us know if you're into fried rice, if you try this, and we'll be back tomorrow for more. So until next time, much love.